Unboxing and setting up the HP LaserJet Pro 4001 through 4004 N, DN, DW, and D printer series. Open the box and remove the setup guide and other documentation included with the printer. Remove the printer power cord and set it aside. Remove the styrofoam end cap from the box. With the box on its side, grasp the packaging and pull to remove the printer from the box. Remove the plastic bag from the printer. Remove the clear plastic shield from the display panel and HP symbol. Slide out the input tray and slide the paper width guides to the sides of the tray. Place paper in the tray and adjust the guides so that they are resting against the edges of the paper. Slide the tray back into the printer. Plug the power cord into the rear of the printer and plug the other end into a power source. Note: HP recommends plugging the printer directly into a wall outlet. Press the power button and the printer powers on. If you would like to set up your printer on your network with an Ethernet cable, connect one at this time. If you would prefer a wireless connection, your printer will remain in wireless setup mode for 2 hours. Do not connect any cables at this time and proceed to the next step. Note: this video will proceed with a wireless setup process. If you are connecting with an Ethernet cord, not all steps will pertain to you. Follow the prompts you receive on the printer and your computer to complete the Ethernet cord setup process. When the printer is powered on, the control panel displays a URL. Depending on your model, it is either hpsmart.com/setup or, for USB-only models, hpsmart.com/download. On your computer, open a web browser and go to the URL you received on your printer. Note: you must set up the printer with a PC. You cannot set up your printer with a mobile device such as a smartphone or tablet. If you received the download URL, open a web browser and go to hpsmart.com/download and follow the prompts to connect with a USB cord. If you received the setup URL, open a web browser and go to hpsmart.com/setup. On the Set up a new printer page, click Begin Setup and then click Install HP Easy Start to download the software. After the software has downloaded, click the .exe file and follow the on-screen prompts to install HP Easy Start. HP Easy Start searches for printers in setup mode and printers that are already connected to your network. The printers that are detected display on the screen. When the Printer Found screen displays, click Continue. If multiple printers are detected, click the printer that you want to set up. If the printer is not found or not listed, click My Printer is not listed and follow the on-screen instructions to search for the printer. When the HP Auto Wireless Connect screen displays, click OK. The software begins connecting the printer to the Wi-Fi network. To confirm your proximity to the printer, a message displays in HP Easy Start with instructions to select OK on the printer control panel. On the printer control panel, press the OK button. HP Easy Start configures the printer and adds it to the network. The network settings screen displays in the software. Once the connection is complete, select Continue. When the Connect Printer to Internet screen displays, click Continue. When the Print Pairing Code screen appears, click Print Pairing Code. The printer will print a page with the pairing code listed. The pairing code is valid for 2 hours and is used for pairing your printer with HP Smart Admin to access cloud-based features, services, and additional printing solutions. If you do wish to pair your printer, hold on to this page as you will need this code later in the setup process. Then, open a web browser and go to hpsmart.com/connect to complete the pairing process. If you do not wish to pair the printer, click Skip Pairing, and then click Skip Pairing again. Click Continue. If you choose to skip pairing, you are prompted to download the HP Smart Print driver to complete the printer setup. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.